What's going on, guys? It's Dale from TLDstudios.net, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating an emissive material inside of Unreal Engine 5. Now the benefit of this is not always are you going to want to use the lighting systems that come inside of Unreal Engine, and sometimes you want to bring in your own or just create your own material. So let's get into it. First, what we want to do is in the content browser, let's just right click and go to material, and we'll name this something like emissive. We're going to double click to jump inside of this. And now what we want to do is right click and type in constant. We want a constant 3 vector. Now what this will allow us to do is choose a material color. So we'll double click this black square here and we'll change the color to whatever we want. Let's say this orangish color here. And let's go to this right bar and just slide this all the way up. And let's hit OK. Now what we want to do is bring in another constant, but not a constant 3, just a regular constant. So we're going to right click, type in constant, and then we're going to choose this first one. And also we're going to right click on this and we're going to convert this to a parameter. And we can name this something like emissive. And also we want to change the default value from 0 to 1. And now we need to connect these two together, so we can press M and left click to bring in a multiply node. We want to just drag these into the corrective spots. And we want to change this one and plug it into the emissive color. Now we're done. We can hit apply and we can save this. And now we can drag this into any section we want. And you see it's going to light it up. But one thing you're going to notice is we can't change the value of this to how bright we want it or how low we want. So what we want to now do is create a material instance of this. So we're going to right click and let's go to create material instance. And now we can dive into this material. And now we can check on emissive and we can change the value of how bright we want this glow to be. So let's just test it out. Let's bring it up to something ridiculously high and let's just save it. And now we're going to just drag and drop this here and look how bright that is. So at any time you can just dive into here and just change the value. So hopefully you guys learned something in this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.